In dh'iomain.
Sin Shibachaarstin, Misha Hown at East. There you are, it's me again, Amber Buchanan with Baile and Gàidhlig. And today I'm going to teach you another Gàidhlig Duan, another Gaelic rhyme. This one's a little bit trickier, or longer, than some of the others we've been working on. Ach fiacha, try it. Marachanasit, as they say, Bekir Vik, Marayichas and Gath and Skatan. I'll put an English translation at the end of the video, so you know what you're saying.
This Duan, like the last I shared with you, comes from Eos Ní Vic, Joniel McNeil from Middle Cape. Joniel was an incredible tradition bearer with a wide array of stories, humorous anecdotes, and much more, as well as an incredible memory for kinship connections. I found the Duan in this book, Tales Until Dawn, Gàidhlig, Scial Go Wá, where each of Joniel's stories were collected, translated, and edited by John Shaw. In dh'iomain, Gàidheal Iman Chaman, Gàidheal Chaman, Chaman Iwyd, Gàidheal Iwyd, Iwyd Ahad, Gàidheal Dahad, Ahad Ian, Gàidheal Ian, Ian Ichak, Gàidheal Ichak, Ichak Fruch, Gàidheal Fruch, Fruch Gàidhlig, Gàidheal Gàidhlig, Gàidhlig Chrán. Once you learn those words, try saying it fast with me. In dh'iomain, Gàidheal Iman Chaman, Gàidheal Chaman, Chaman Iwyd, Gàidheal Iwyd, Iwyd Ahad, Gàidheal Dahad, Ahad Ian, Gàidheal Ian, Ian Ichak, Gàidheal Ichak, Ichak Fruch, Gàidheal Fruch, Fruch Gàidhlig, Gàidheal Gàidhlig, Gàidhlig Chrán.
Shinakatay. Let me know how you got along. Tap Baile versus Kind. Bianach live.